So welcome everybody. Welcome you all to Vanik Smart Class. This is Tapas sir. We're just going to discuss the current affairs of 28th November 2022. Those who are online, it's my humble request to all that whatever your doubts, whatever your queries, you can ask in chat box and be participate on this live session. Otherwise live session किसी importance और रही बनी तो जो माने भी online अच्छे थे live session रे attend करिया को try करूँ तो जहाँ भी questions अच्छे question अपना live session रे write करी परिबे. So good morning good afternoon everyone. So without wasting our time, let's start the session. Here is the question: who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Awards 2022 by Ficci? Question number 1. There is an institution called Ficci, Ficci. So as per Ficci, who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Awards? Those who are online, at least answer guess करूँ तो कौन ही परियो? Is it option A, B, C, D or E? So, okay, we'll discuss it, but whatever the topics we're discussing, let's say topic we first discussion कर साला पर next आप हो okay? So answer is E. Answer is E. It's Rajendra Pawar. Is Rajendra Pawar. Okay. So what is Ficci? Ficci stands for Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Okay, these are like self-regulatory bodies which are working in India for development and to better trade practices of the businesses in India. Okay, as Mr. Rajendra Pawar is the founder and CEO of NIIT. Okay, he served so many things and served a well thing for the society's benefit, particularly in the sector of education. That's why he got the Lifetime Achievement Award as per the Ficci. The headquarters of Ficci is situated in New Delhi. So, next question is an important one. Indian Army is participating in a bilateral exercise Garuda Shakti, which of the following country special force? This question might come in your SSC examinations, banking examinations and other different examinations. A question asibar probabilities अछि. तो Indian Army Garuda Shakti बोले गोटे exercise practice करछि कहाँ सा? Garuda Shakti. India रे बहुत सारा exercise practice हुए. important exercises India रे अछि. जेमति शक्ति गोटे exercise अछि. Garuda गोटे exercise अछि. Varuna भी good exercises. These 3 exercises conducted between India and France. Okay, this 3 exercise has been conducted between India and France. But if you see the Garuda Shakti exercises is conducted between India and Indonesia. Okay, India and Indonesia. It is a exercise between the special force. Okay, जेमति हमरो army special force अछि, para SF जोटा कहउचंदी, Navy special force होचे like Marcos commandos. So same type of special force, India special force or Indonesia special force, they have arranged this exercise particularly in Indonesia. ओके इंडोनेशिया रे प्रैक्टिस करा जायछि सेम टाइप रे इंडिया सहित और बहुत सारा कंट्रीज अछंती बहुत सारा एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिसेस करछंती ओके आ एटा आपन को एग्जाम पय भी इंपोर्टेंट टेक एन एग्जांपल युद्ध अभ्यास इज एन एक्सरसाइज रिसेंटली हैपेंड युद्ध अभ्यास एक्सरसाइज युद्ध अभ्यास एक्सरसाइज इज हेल्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड यूएसए ओके सेम टाइप रे इंडिया और यूएसए सहित आ कोन कोन एक्सरसाइज अछि गोटे एक्सरसाइज ना होछि रेड फ्लैग एक्सरसाइज okay red flag exercise is an exercise held between India and USA so Indra is an exercise Avia Indra is an exercise okay these two exercises had been held between India and Russia Indra and Avia Indra same as with Australia particularly Malabar exercise Malabar is an important exercise it is held between or among 4 countries actually India Japan, Australia and USA to prevent the China in the dominance of South China Sea. This exercise or naval exercises have been conducted. Same as with Japan. With Japan, the India conducted an exercise called Dharma Guardian. Okay, Dharma Guardian in an exercise conducted between India and Japan as well as GMEX is an exercise held between India and Japan. Same type of Sampriti bole one exercise अछि Sampriti an exercise held between India and Bangladesh. Surya Kiran is an exercise held between India and Nepal. Maitri is an exercise held between India and Thailand. Okay, तो सेम टाइप रे बहुत सारा इंपोर्टेंट एक्सरसाइजेस कंडक्ट कर जाय गोटे गोटे कंट्री आउ अलगा कंट्रीज तो इजराइल से तो गोटे एक्सरसाइज कंडक्ट करा जाय जाको ब्लू फ्लैग बोली भी कहा जाय ओके तो सिंगापुर से तो भी सेम एक्सरसाइज कंडक्ट करा जाय तो जहां भी एक्सरसाइज गोटे ईयर रे आछि तम एग्जाम को एग्जाम हम दोचन सेटा होची इंपोर्टेंट लाइक बैंकिंग एग्जाम हेले हां कम दिन रो करंट अफेयर्स डेटा आसी जाय पारे बट इफ यू go for the SSC examination then maybe 1 year data asibar probabilities अछि आ इथरे गोटे क्वेश्चंस मिलिटरी एक्सरसाइज रे गोटे क्वेश्चन रेगुलरली आसे दैट्स व्हाई कोन कोन एक्सरसाइज कहा कहा भीतर कंडक्ट हेछि सेटा होछ हम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इंपोर्टेंट ता गोटे नोट कर देबे बेटर हो गोटे कॉपी रे गोटे नोट कर देले तारो स्टैटिक पार्ट सर जीवो स्टैटिक पार्ट सहित हमको लाइक तार करंट अफेयर्स से जहां भी इवेंट्स अछि करंट अफेयर्स इवेंट चाकू भी हमें कवर करि परिबा ओके सो साले गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन Simbex exercise held between India and Singapore. Very good. Those who are participating, those who are giving answers, very well attempt. Good. So recently, why Indonesia is in news? Indonesia agode karan ro maybe news la kon na the G20 summit. Okay, the G20 summit 2022 was held in Indonesia, Bali. Was held in Indonesia, Bali. It is a very important news because the Prime Minister of our country went for attending this meeting, and most importantly, the venue of 2023, the G20 meeting of 2023 is going to be held in India, and the venue of 2024 will be held in Brazil. These are the important data, and why the G20 has been formed in 1999. I think we had just discussed the same in previous classes. In 1990, okay, the recent G7, then G8 countries, those who are highly developed economic countries, in 1999 they have proposed to establish or start an institution called G20. It is the country of the developing economics. Okay, it is the country of developing economy which has started in the year 1999, where 19 countries are the member and one is European Union as the member. Okay, why this institution have been formed? It was formed because to maintain the financial crisis at this particular time. जहाँ भी financial crisis experience करथिला से time रे कोनोसी गवर्नमेंट कोनोसी तार adverse effect हम पर पड़ला like US रे जदि क्राइसिस आछि इंडिया पर पड़ला इंडिया पर financial crisis चाइना पर पड़ला that is the reason कि financial crisis 90 से जहाँ होता से problems को हमको sort out करिया पे ଗୋଟେ group form कल that's called G20 of group of 20. ओके तो ग्रुप ऑफ 20 रो रिसेंट मीटिंग इंडोनेशिया बाली रे हेछि नेक्स्ट मीटिंग 2023 इंडिया रे हबो आउ तार थीम हबो वसुदेव कुटुंबकम यस प्रेसिडेंट सेवा जोको विडोडो गुड द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडोनेशिया इज जाकार्ता एटा न्यूज रे अछि जेहेतु कमिंग एग्जाम रे क्वेश्चन भी आसी जेबे ओके फिर चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा रिवील्ड बाय द फर्स्ट by one LTR previously PNG, which of the following banks dominated the credit card market in October 2022 with a 21% of share? It's a bank related question. Yes, is it State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, Indian Bank, Axis Bank or ICICI Bank? Theme recover together and recover stronger is a case of, it is a 2022 theme, it is not 2023. The Indian government theme is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. HDFC Bank is a very good. Those who are attending the class online, they should practice in the, or they should attend the class and write your valuable answers. Guess the right answer, it's HDFC Bank. So if you see the difference between debit card and credit card, okay, the card which we are using, it's called debit cum ATM card or ATM cum debit card, and one is called credit card. Okay, so what is debit cum ATM card or ATM cum debit card? Which card we are usually use? ATM card is a card which is used in ATMs for cash withdrawal, money transfer, balance inquiry, okay, PIN changing, etc. and etc. And basically debit cards are used for transaction in online basis or over the counter, or you can say by the point of sale or swiping machine. We can swipe this card for the payment. Okay, so the two types of features or two types of advantages we are getting in a single card. That's why ATM and debit card has been given to all these customers by the bank. So what is credit card? Okay, if you see, debit card is called a prepaid card. Debit card is a prepaid card. That means our account रे किसी पैसा थी वो जितनी पर्यंत हम account रे balance ଅଛି, up to that amount of up to that particular limit we can use this amount of money. For example, कौन सी shopping mall को गले, कौन सी जिनिस किनिले, online shopping कले, किसी भी हम account रे जितनी पर्यंत balance थी वो up to that particular balance we can use. That's called debit card. What is credit card? Credit card is a postpaid card. Credit card is a postpaid card. What is postpaid card? जब आम मोबाइल रिचार्ज कर कि हाँ फर्स्ट यूज करवा देन आम पे कर सेम टाइप रो पोस्टपेड कार्ड बोली कहले. पोस्टपेड रो मीनिंग होछि कि द बैंक इज पर्टिकुलरली प्रोवाइडिंग सम अमाउंट ऑफ एडवांसेस, ओके, टू इट्स क्रेडिट और द कस्टमर्स. जो माने बैंक रो क्रेडिट और द कस्टमर्स, बैंक ता कोन करछि ना किछि लिमिट पर्यंत कैश विथड्रॉ करि पई किछि लिमिट पर्यंत लाइक से पैसा को हमें यूज करिया पई बैंक हमको परमिशन दोछि, एंड आफ्टर 45 डेज वी हैव टू रिटर्न द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, और विद इन दैट 45 डेज पीरियड हमको से पैसा रिटर्न करिया को हबो. जदि से पैसा हम रिटर्न न करि परिबा देन हम ऊपर बैंक किछि फाइन इंपोज करि परिबो. दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रेडिट कार्ड. ओके, so it is particularly given to the credit or the customers of the bank. Okay, who are the credit or the customers? The customers who have the ability to return the amount of money which is given as advances. Okay, that's why जो माने salaried employees थांती, जो माने को businesses थाए, जो माने को FD थाए, से माने को ही बैंक particularly credit card provide करे. Okay, so India रे बहुत सारे companies अच्छी banks माने अच्छी card provide करचंती, but in October 21% of share, total 100 हेले 21% of share is undertaken by HDFC Bank. Okay, in credit card business, particularly credit card business. Second comes SBI, it's particularly 19%. 19% रो market cover की करछि State Bank of India. So these two banks are very much important because as per the public sector bank, it is the largest public sector bank in the country, and as per the private sector bank, it is the largest private sector bank in our country as per the market capitalization. As per the market cap, HDFC Bank is the largest private sector bank, but as per the number of branches, ICICI Bank is the largest private sector bank on the basis of number of branches. Okay, so there are three banks which are coming under DSIB list. Those who know about the Basel norms, it's a concept. Basel is the rules and regulation which was formulated by the BIS or Bank for International Settlement, which is known as the central bank of all central bank. Okay, as per the rule, the central bank of a country has to be decided which banks are comes under DSIB list. DSIB stands for domestic systemically important bank. Okay, as per the list, it said that this bank's asset size are too large, which is very difficult to be felt. And if this particular bank is going to be default or going to be crash, then obviously that particular sector like banking sector and economic sector is going to be hampered so badly. That's why the Reserve Bank of India declares this three bank as domestic systemically important bank. That is the State Bank of India, one is HDFC Bank, one is ICICI Bank. These three banks in India are known as DSIB, or which are coming under the list of DSIB, domestic systemically important bank. And as per the Government of India's rule, or as per the Reserve Bank of India's rule, this bank's asset size minimum country's GDP रो 2% हवा दरकार. जे तरह country's GDP रो 2% होउछ तार asset size, then we can consider it as DSIB or domestic systemically important bank. Got it? Is an important concept actually. And जो माने भी first time attend करछन class गोटे जिंस को research करिवे जाय कि that is called BIS and Basel norms. BIS and one is called Basel norms for economical point of view, and those who are preparing for banking examinations, that are बहुत important. Okay, कहीं Reserve Bank of India point of view कौन कोचन ना India रे banking system run होची सेमती टाइप रो. BIS किंवा Basel रो rules regulation अनुसार international banking system run होची. So let's go to the next question. I hope कि question में जहाँ भी doubts ला clear हो जाए थी वो. Who among the following has been nominated as the CEO of designate of Deloitte India? Deloitte is a company based on USA. Recently, option D, it's Romal Sethi is appointed as a CEO. As it is a private sector company, its appointment is not that much of important as per the examination's point of view. Actually, जहाँ भी बड़ा appointment थी like कौन सी government agencies है, government banks है, government institutions है, तो सारा appointment में भी हमको बहुत important था exam point of view. But जैसे कौन सी company, private company रो CEO हो जंती किंबा chairman change हो जंती, तो probabilities बहुत अधिक न था कि question पड़ी बारे. That doesn't mean कि हमको ignore करी बारे. Okay, so. Next, which of the following has signed the world's longest gas supply deal with China in November 2022? A question आसी पारे. A question of importance है. The answer is Qatar. The answer is Qatar. Not option D. Nikhil. Option D नहीं answer. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer, is Qatar. Sorry. Qatar is going to be the answer. Actually, it is a 27-year deal. 27 वर्ष पर ये deal करा जायछि. क्या भितर चाइना और कतर भितर की ऑयल सप्लाई है फ्रॉम गोटे कंट्री आ गोटे कंट्री को ऑयल सप्लाई करया पई वर्ल्ड रो सबटु लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम पे कार 5 वर्ष पई के डील करंती के 7 वर्ष पई डील करंती के 10 वर्ष पई डील करंती, बट दिस डील वाज डन फॉर 27 इयर्स. हाउ मच? 27 इयर्स. दैट्स इट इज इन न्यूज़ कि कतर टू चाइना कोन करबो ऑयल इंपोर्ट करियो फॉर 27 इयर्स. कतर एबे न्यूज़ रे अछि एति पई बिकॉज़ द 2022 FIFA World Cup venue was set in Qatar. Okay, the 2022 FIFA World Cup venue was set in Qatar. That's why it is in news. And the venue of 2026 is set in USA, Canada and Mexico. USA, Canada and Mexico. And for your information, I would like to say that FIFA World Cup वर्ल्ड रो सबुटो अधिक वॉच्ड गेम बोली देखा जाए लंडन ओलंपिक हो कि कौन सी समर ओलंपिक हो कि क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हो कौन सी भी गेम वर्ल्ड रोचे सब हाईएस्ट वॉच और हाईएस्ट टाइम और हाईएस्ट व्यूज जब कह जाए कौन अच्छे ना इट्स फीफा वर्ल्ड कप द मैच ऑफ फीफा वर्ल्ड कप इंटरेस्टिंगली गेम गुड आगू बढ़ी बढ़ी चलছে लेट्स होप को माने माने को टीम एक्चुअली पर्टिकुलरली विन करिया जाउची तो जो फिफा वर्ल्ड कप सर जीव ताहले बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस भी आसी जाई परियो फिफा वर्ल्ड कप रिलेटेड तार मास्कट कोन अछि तार थीम कोन अछि को टीम केते कोन कला के यू नो मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट हैला सबटा हाईएस्ट स्कोरर के एक्सेट्रा बेसिकली फुटबॉल फैंस मानक भितरे बड़ उत्साह थाए because कहते the world is divided into two parts when FIFA World Cup or football comes particularly two are most choice player in football one is Lionel Messi and one is Cristiano Ronaldo so बहुत पिलांगर Messi favorite थांती और कहारो Ronaldo भी favorite थांती so among the following cricketer achieved the world's record for the highest ever individual score in the list of cricket by scoring 141 balls 277 against the Arunachal Pradesh at Vijay Hazare Trophy. The domestic cricket ro it has result. कौन अब आंसर Is it A, B, C, D or E? Avinash. Option A is the answer. Good. Option A is the answer. It's Narayan and Jagdishan. Okay, he belongs to Tamil Nadu. Okay, he did the highest score ever, 141. Okay, in 277. It's a domestic cricket game जमती कि रणजी ट्रॉफी हुए सेमती विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी हुए सेमती दिलीप ट्रॉफी हुए these are all related to your cricket so cricket रो भी वेन्यू जे देखा जाए recent T20 World Cup it was held in Australia and winning team is England सेमती Asia Cup winning team is Sri Lanka. Same as ICC World Cup ODI 2023. The venue will be played in India. Let's see. India तो दुई थरा हमारा World Cup जीती in 1983 and in 2011. Let's see कि ए year रे भी हमें cricket World Cup जीती परिबा. But there is some turbulence creating in the BCCI selection board problems little bit of creation होची तो क्रिकेटर सिलेक्शन को नहीं कि बड़ा क्वेश्चन भी आछे लेट्स सी कि जते बळे 23rd रो वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्ट हो सेते बळे सब कुछ आंसर नॉर्मलाइज हेची बनाओ So the International Day for Elimination of Violation against the Women is observed in which day? The answer is E. It's November 25th. It's November 25th. Day and date जहाँ भी अच्छी गोटे गोटे मंथ रा अपन माने लिस्ट कर देबे गोटे गोटे मंथ रा लिस्ट हे गले अपन को पढ़ी के रिवीजन करिया पई बडो इजी होबो एंड व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ एलिमिनेशन ऑफ वायलेंस अगेंस्ट ऑफ वुमेन 2022 Option C is going to be the answer. It's unite activism to end the violence against the women and girls. Okay? Option C is the answer. When the International Women's Day is observed, those who are online, please give the answer when the International Women's Day is observed. International Women's Day. It's 8th of March. It's 8th of March. Everybody knows that. But when the National Women's Day is observed, National Women's Day. जो मैंने ऑनलाइन अछंती आंसर दियंतु 8 मार्च रे इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे ऑब्जर्व करा जाए 13th of February केस ऑफ राइट आंसर 13th of February रे नेशनल वुमेन्स डे ऑब्जर्व करा जाए द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ कार सरोजिनी नायडू birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. Those who are giving answer, thank you so much. For next question, in Nepal, Prime Minister Dash has elected for the consecutive 7 times from the home district of Dadel Dukra. Ki achande 7 times se particular place ru win kariki became the Prime Minister of Nepal. Answer is C. It's Sher Bahadur Deuba. Sher Bahadur Deuba. Okay. So everybody knows that कि गोटे institution अच्छी जहाँ नाम से SARC. बहुत थोड़ा एग्जाम रे आसिलानी यार मेंबर्स रिलेटेड यार एस्टैब्लिशमेंट रिलेटेड और यार मीटिंग्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. ओके, SARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It was started in the year 1985 as per Dhaka Conference. As per Dhaka Conference, but the headquarter of SARC is in Kathmandu. Nepal. Got it? Nepal रे ही सारा हेडक्वार्टर बट एस्टाब्लिश कहीं एथिरे इंपोर्टेंट होची कोनोसी भी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम रासी पारे रिपीटेडली एसएससी क्वेश्चन रे और एसएससी एग्जामिनेशंस रे ए सब क्वेश्चन आछी बिकॉज़ ए जो सार्क अछि सार्क रे सबटु बडो मेंबर जति कहा जाउछन के होची ना इंडिया. दैट इज व्हाई के क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमम आसीबार प्रोबेबिलिटीज अछि. देयर आर 8 मेंबर्स ऑफ सार्क. ओके, देयर आर 8 मेंबर्स ऑफ सार्क. हु आर द मेंबर्स? फर्स्ट India, then Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then Nepal, then Bhutan, then Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay, question बहुत तरह से हो कि which among the following is not a member of SARC or like this empty type of question as or which among the following is the member of SARC empty भी question as so that's why जो 8 जन member रहले से 8 जन member को नाटा मन रखिया बडो इंपोर्टेंट. ओके, कोन कोन रहले जेमति कि इंडियन मैप जदि हम इमेजिन करिबा केमति ना इंडिया रहला, पाकिस्तान रहला. ओके, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, देन नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, तळुक असले कि अछि मालदीव्स एंड श्रीलंका. दैट्स फॉर दैट 8 जन मेंबर को नाम रखथिबे आ सेथरे जेतु इंडिया होछ सबटु बडो तो आम सेटा होची इंपोर्टेंट. सेम टाइप गोटे सबमिट SCO summit 2023 एटा भी इंपोर्टेंट कहीं ना इंडिया इज गोइंग टू होस्ट द SCO summit 2023 सांघाई कोऑपरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन समिट इंडिया 2023 रे अरेंज करिया जाउछ और 23 रे होस्ट करिया जाउछ. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रसार भारती सेलिब्रेटेड इट्स सिल्वर जुबली और 25th years of its establishment of dash डे. और प्रसार भारती हम ऑफिशियल चैनल बोली कहा जाउची गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रा ता पई एक्ट भी पास हेची प्रसार भारती रो एक्ट पास हेची कोंतु को डेट को ऑब्जर्व करा जाए. yes 21st November 23rd November 24th 22nd and 25 जो मैंने ऑनलाइन अच्छी आंसर दियंतु कौन हम आंसर निखिल, अविनाश, अभिलाष, केशव, I'm waiting for your response. Write your answer. Nobody's giving answer. Okay, the answer is 23rd November. When? 23rd November. Actually, the Prasar Bharati was established in the year 1997. Okay, it was started in the year 1997 and Prasar Bharati Act was passed in 1990. In 1990, there are two institutions or child institutions that coming under Prasar Bharati. One is Doordarshan, and one is All India Radio. All India Radio. Okay, so it is going to observe its 25th establishment year because it was established in the year 1997. Got it? The headquarters of Prasar Bharati is in New Delhi. Headquarters of Prasar Bharati is in New Delhi. Option B was the answer. Good. Now, next question. The European Space Agency had named the first ever para-astronauts in the major steps towards allowing people with the physically disabled to work and live in space. What is the name of the para-astronauts? कौन सा आंसर करना? Answer is A. It's John M.C. Paul. John M.C. Paul. Okay, the European Space Agency. It is a space agency of 20 countries, which is situated in Paris. Just like ISRO is a space agency of our country, same as the European Space Agency is a space agency of whole Europe's 20 countries. Okay, just like JAXA is a space agency of Japan, NASA is a space agency of USA, same as Roscosmos is space agency of Russia, जो कि राकेश शर्मा फर्स्ट टाइम और फर्स्ट इंडियन स्पेस को जाइतले. Okay, so European Space Agency को those who are physically disabled or physically handicapped, they can serve or they can work and live in space also. That's why an initiative is called, that's called para-astronaut. Okay, para-astronaut. The India भी program करछि कि by the year 2023 and 24 it is going to be launched its first manned mission to space. That is called Gaganyaan. Okay, that is called Gaganyaan. It is going to launch its Chandrayaan 3 also. Chandrayaan 3 also by the year 2023, and a mission is going to be held that is called Samudrayaan. The Samudrayaan is going to be launched in 2024. What is Samudrayaan? That this is the undersea exploration going to be made by the government of India. That's called Samudrayaan, mission Samudrayaan. पाखापाखि 6,000 feet down को जाके हमें देखिबा कि explore करिबा कि how the life exists there or what are the conditions or circumstances over there. चलो फिर next question के लिए. Following the following has been named as the new army chief of Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army नुआ chief कोण आसी. Option D is the answer. It's General Asim Munir. It's General Asim Munir. Pakistan Army जे चीफ होचंती तांकर पॉलिटिकल इंटरफियरेंस और तांकर डिसीजन बहुत मैटर करे तांकर पॉलिटिक्स और तांकर पार्लियामेंट कोन डिसीजन नउची सो दैट्स व्हाई कहा जाय कि तांकर जो माने आर्मी चीफ थांती तांकर पावर अधिक थाए different respective decisions making way. Next question, e-commerce major Flipkart has partnered with which of the following banks to launch super elite credit card in November 2022? Credit card related जहाँ जिनसे पढ़ले पुणे और credit card related information लेने that's called Axis Bank. The answer is Axis Bank. Flipkart रे आमे जो Axis Bank use करचोंती और Axis Bank रो card use करचोंती it's a collaboration between Flipkart and Axis Bank that कि हमको किसी percentage रो extra discount they will provide. That's why got agreement for merge कहाँ भी तो Axis Bank आओ Flipkart e-commerce company Flipkart से तो okay तो Axis Bank initially Axis in Atla, it was started as UTI, Unit Trust of India, and Unit Trust of India is the first, public sector mutual fund in India. But in the year 1993, when Reserve Bank of India was giving license for the private sector bank, the UTI also applied for this. कि हम भाई मु भी private sector bank हवा को चाहूँ. Then UTI have divided into two types. गोटे होची UTI रो mutual fund हेगला, और हेला UTI रो bank. But आज जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर ओनरशिप तो कहला यूटीआई तर मैक्सिमम शेयर होल्डिंग्स प्राइवेट को सेल करा जेतु प्राइवेट को सेल करा इट इज बिकेम अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंस्टीट्यूशन बट दे आर यूजिंग द नेम ऑफ यूटीआई दैट इज अ गवर्नमेंट रजिस्टर्ड कंपनी दैट्स व्हाई यूटीआई चार्ज सम रॉयल्टी और सम चार्जेस कि हां हम ना तुम यूज करछो दैट्स व्हाई टू पे सम अमाउंट ऑफ बॉडी बट एट द एंड एक्सिस बैंक हैव डिसाइडेड कि नहीं भाई हमको तुमको ना दरकार नहीं ओके यू कीप योर नेम एंड वी आर चेंजिंग आवर नेम इनटू एक्सिस बैंक. In 2007, the name of the UTI is changed into Axis Bank. चलो फिर next question के लिए which of the following bank has opened its first mid corporate branch in Kerala's Kochi? Mid corporate bank means what? One is called commercial bank, one is called corporate bank. Corporate bank means it provides services to particularly companies issuing of share, companies issuing of bonds and debentures for the acquisition, merger. For this purpose, this bank is dedicated itself. That's why it is called corporate banking. So it is mid corporate banking means that it will also provide a commercial services like opening of branches, accepting deposits, providing loans, and that. Other than that, it also provide corporate banking. That's why it is called mid corporate banking, which is going to be opened in Cochin, Kerala by the Bank of Baroda. Okay, Bank of Baroda. In Bank of Baroda, two banks have been submerged. One is Vijaya Bank and one is Dena Bank. These two banks have been merged with the Bank of Baroda. In India, there are 12 public sector banks are working now. So it was the last question of this session. So those who have attend the class, I hope आपण मानकु जहाँ भी डिस्कशन है क्वेश्चन रो इम्पोर्टेंस आपण बुझी पाथिबे गोटे थर ताको रिवीजन भी कर देबे कमिंग क्लास रो जहाँ भी इश्यूज थिबो कमिंग क्लास रो जहाँ भी क्वेरीज थिबो आपण माने नेक्स्ट क्लास रो आई मीन चैट सेशन में पचारि परिबे. दोज हु हैव अटेंड द क्लास थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर पेशेंस लिसनिंग एंड गिविंग योर वैल्यूएबल आंसर्स. So till time we are winding up the session, you see in the next class. Wishing you a very happy future and great future, and wishing you all the best for preparing the next examinations. Have a great day. Thank you so much.